Welcome to MachineShop Pro. This is a quick guide through the basics of MachineShop Pro to help you familiarise yourself with the software. We highly recommend you watch all the videos to get the most out of it. A full manual is available on the website and you will receive a flowchart when you first sign up. If you need any more help, please email your questions to admin@machineshoppro.com. Your company details. Resources. This is a really important part of MachineShop Pro. Here is an example of what a typical machine shop's resources may look like. Set the resources to suit your business. Quotes. Let's quote on a part. The customer has asked for a price for 50 off and 100 off. Fill in the details as appropriate. This is for the 50 off. List the operations and times. Setup is in hours and run is in minutes. And finally, list the purchasing requirements. This part is going to use 2-inch aluminium bar. And we will be able to make 60 parts per metre of material. The per order box will be charged at once per order. Per quantity will be charged once per individual part. You can use either or both boxes. At £10 per metre, we only need to put a price in the per order box. Next, we need to allow for anodizing. We need to order one per part. The anodizers charge £10 carriage, which goes here, and the anodizing is £1 each. Calculate price. We're happy with this, so press the Use Calculated Price button. Now we want to create a price for 100 off. The material price will need to be changed as we are now going to need to buy 2 pieces. Alter the quantity to 100 and calculate the price. Again, we're happy to use the calculated price. Now we want to generate a quote to send to the customer. Mark the ones you want to send. This will give you a quote to print or email to your customer. The customer places an order. OK, so the customer has ordered 50 off. Find the quote relating to this. Press the Convert to Order button. This will take you straight to an order with most of the details filled in. Add the customer's order number and the agreed delivery date. As they have asked for a CFC, fill in this box. Add the operations after machining. This will give the job card a complete flow of all the processes required. Add prices and certification required. Now this is all complete, you can print the job card. If you want to send an order confirmation, then this is done here. Add the material to the basket. This will move it to purchasing. Purchasing. Add a date you want to receive the material and add a quantity. When you are ready to send an order to this supplier, press on the Purchase Order button. Works order status. Move the status to material ordered and wait for the material to arrive. The material is delivered. Goods in, select the supplier delivering, select the purchase order number of the delivery. Quantity delivered and mark as completed. When the invoice arrives, invoice is in. Select the supplier name, purchase order number, and finally input the invoice number. This marks the line as invoiced and you will not see it again. Works order status. Move the job to in progress. The part is then machined and ready to go to the anodizing company. Works order. Add the anodizing to the basket. Purchasing. Add details in purchasing and send the same as we did for material. Works order status. Move the part to at subcontractors. Goods received back from the anodizers. Again, book in the same as the material. Works order status. The job can now be marked as complete. So now we want to deliver the part. Goods out. Select the part. Print a delivery note and CFC. And finally, we want to invoice the part. Invoice is out, select the customer, and select the invoice to be created. Send and wait for payment to be made. And that's it. As we said at the beginning, watch all the detailed videos and read the instructions to get the most out of MachineShop Pro. You may have noticed this video only took around 15 minutes. In this time we have created a quote for 2 different quantities, produced a job card, sent the customer an order confirmation, generated 2 purchase orders, printed a delivery note, CFC, and finally produced an invoice. When you quote on repeat parts or get a repeat order, this will get even quicker. Any questions, please email admin@machineshop pro.com and we will do our best to help.